Love and greetings to you. I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. This topic is harsh. Can a marriage be stronger after infidelity? And this is just for women. And the answer is a definite yes. Now, here's the reason why. It's easy to say that, right? Oh, yeah, sure, no problem. Well, do not rely on Western psychological treatments or therapy or anything that they've discovered. And you need to really focus in on what was missing in the first place, which is marriage education. And so what happened was you and your true love, your soulmate, you met your soulmate. You got together, you just bedazzled each other, you took care of one another, and then over time you started getting used to each other. We call that overfamiliarity. And you start having less appreciation and more criticism, right? You complain more, you don't honor them outwardly and even inwardly. You're thinking about all the things he's doing wrong and like that. And what happens on his side is he's reaching the point where he's going, I don't need all this. Literally, I've heard that exact expression from I can't tell you how many men. I've been doing this since 2001. And so what happens is the man seeks an escape. And because of how our society is constructed and all of that, it's easier for a man to go find something. It's easier on a lot of levels. He's not as emotionally connected. He's not as connected to his heart. And so for him, it's just not as big a deal for him to cheat. I use the simple term. Now, the karma's just as bad, but it's easier for him to do it. And so those are most of the people who come to us. And when they come to us, I'm not going to tell you this is easy. I'm not going to say, here, just do this, this, and this. This is not that kind of video, nor is it a video to sell you something. But I'm explaining to you that the course that we have, which is layered progressively in education, which was lacking from the beginning, and in techniques and methodology to change yourself permanently into this happy person. And I'm going to leave in the description, I'm going to leave a link to the review so you could see what happens to women who take this course. Our success rate is 100%, almost 98%. We just have nailed it. We know how to not just save your marriage, and it does need saving, because he'll be a repeat offender unless you do how I share with you what you need to do. That was hard getting out, by the way. I don't read this from a screen or anything. This is all just coming from my heart. So we want your marriage to be saved and healthy. The investment that you have in your marriage is tremendous. It's not just the time. We're not talking about material investment. We're talking about your heart, your life. If you get a divorce, you'll never be the same. And if this is your second marriage, you know exactly what I am talking about. So heed these words. 1, your marriage can be way stronger after infidelity. Way, way stronger. But you have to know how to make it happen. And don't put it on your husband to make it happen with you. This is all something that you have the power to do. All right. God bless you and take care. I'm Paul Friedman. And please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video and please leave a comment. God bless you and take care.